park, and then when you park, you see an airplane sticking out of the building. Let's go inside. Look at those planes. Those are airplanes. Cool, right? Look, this is an airplane. Look at the plane. Does that have jet engines? No. It has propellers. Look at this helicopter. Now going down. That's all another propeller. Does that have two wings?
What do you think?
No, it has 4 wings. That one also has 2 wings, and it also has propellers. Those are airplanes. But
They rub together really good.
Oh, I want to be the co-pilot.
Okay, I'm gonna be the pilot.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
And contact.
Look, they took off. I'm inside the cockpit.
Convair 777, ready for engine start and takeoff.
Hi, Captain Alexander.
Hi.
Are you flying a plane?
Hi. 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 Those are all the flight attendants must fly. Let's go up, guys. Why are we not allowed to go inside? Hi. This is how you take. Okay, this is how you put your seatbelt on. Like this. Take it off. You pull this thing and take it off like this. Hi guys, we're leaving. If you live in Los Angeles or close to Santa Monica, you can come here. And now we're going to the arcade. Does arcade sound fun?